let us start for the second half. Now I have switched off the dimension layer, as you can see, like this. I can switch off and switch on the dimension layer. Now I am going to concentrate on my front elevation or the elevation of the door. So I will just use the technique of projecting from the side view up to here. Okay. So no need for this part. Okay. So this is fine. So first of all, let us see the thickness of this panel, the side panel, or the frame of the door. So as you can see from the other section BB, the thickness is 70 millimeter. So I can offset 70 millimeter this side. Okay. Just delete this, erase this. Then this is 70 millimeter, and this side also is 70 millimeter. How do I know? Because from here, this point, this is 70 millimeter. Okay. Now, what else? I am going to draw the inside this groove, starting from here up to here, and whatever is the offset, I will use this offset on this side. So I still don't know how much is the offset. So normally it should be 70 minus 55, should be 15 millimeter. So from here to here is my offset. Okay, so I offset it this side also. So since from this view, we normally will not be able to see this inside, and so this I am going to use as a dashed line. So for that, I select it and then Control 1. Line type. I don't have the line type loaded, so I don't know. How do I do this? Do you remember how to load the line type? How do I load the line type? Wait a minute. Did you remember how we picked up line type? I click here, then go to this continuous, and then go to other. On the other, I say load. I can load some dashed line like this. Okay. Now, once I click here, Control 1, go there, and then I pick up this one. So this becomes a dashed line. Okay? So this line and this line should be same line type. So I am going to match the property. So for that I use the command MA, match attribute. This one and this one. Finally, I want to trim it out. Okay. Is it fine? Done. Next line or next point will be which one? This line. Okay. Again, my next line will be this line. Okay. So whatever is the offset, so this much is 50 millimeter. Again, I offset 50 millimeter this way. Then here up to here. So I need to mirror this line with the midpoint of this one. Okay? Now I am going to trim it out. And so. Okay, now coming back, you should be careful about how much is the width of these wooden panels. So if you look at the section BB, then you will see that, oh sorry, from here I should have one line. This is 70, yeah? Okay, 70. So if you look at the wooden, the section BB line, then you will see that first line is an offset of 70. Then the next, we have an offset of 55 plus 100, that means 150. 155 from this point up to here. So this is the end point of this line. So I move it. This point here. Okay. I trim this out. Trim it out. Okay. Then we have a width of 350. From here up to here. And within this, the panel is finished. So that means if I take a line from here to here, perpendicular, then this midpoint I can mirror this part. I'm going to mirror this part depending on the midpoint of this 350. Okay. Then yes. Done. This is my panel. Trim it out. Do the things not needed. Yeah. Low. one panel. Next is, you see this corresponds to this line. That means we should have a thickness of this much. Okay? So whatever is the thickness. So line, you can draw a line from here up to here, and this can continue like this. Then this we can mirror this from this point. Okay? Done now. Yeah. No. So this will move down by this much. Okay? Wait a minute. So we have to correct this part. First of all, let's project these lines. This line is this one. 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 So far it's okay. Wait a minute. You can erase this part. Now, simply copy all of these from this point like this, from this point point. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay. Then again, copy this one from this point to this point. So this is 200 now. So we should move it 100 millimeters more. And this is okay. Yes. And that's all. Yeah. Oh. Then we can produce these two lines. We say I can draw a line from here up to bottom C and extending. Okay. Okay. So this is one side panel. Now what I am going to do, I'm simply going to do a mirror of this part with this point of intersection here, and that's all. Okay? Yes. One more thing I have to do is I should put the hatch. So for that, I can create a layer, name as hatch, which will only consist of my hatching. Okay. Yes. Now if you see that this is a sectional view actually, and then the sectional view is through this part. So this line, I need to make a section line. For that I am going to load another line. This is the dash dot line. Okay. Cancel 1. Line type is the dash dot line type. Make it 3 or maybe 10. So that we have a clear view of the section line. Yes. Now you should show which direction you are looking. For that I am going to make a polygon consisting of 3 sides like this. Okay? Then move it, mirror part here. So this is my section view, and then this section view is section AA. Text A. Maybe 3 times, maybe 10 times. A. A. Okay? But this should be my section view. If this should be my section view, I should be showing those hatches. Okay. Well, my first hatch should be from here to here. So I make this hatch line, the hatch layer, the current layer, change color, use hatch that is there for wood. Where is it? Oh, no wood. Already here. Okay, it seems we don't have it here, but we have to really look into it. So I'm going to use one simple hatch pattern, maybe this one. Okay, and then what happened? You see the thing here? This is to change the scale. So let's take this one, or this one, and 30 here, and I increase the scale 150. Okay, this seems okay. Now again, my other door panel is from here up to here. So I'm going to use another hatch for this part. From here up to here. Let's pick up this pattern. I can simply change this angle to maybe 51. Okay. Now the same thing. I have a hatch here, but this hatch is the same as this hatch. I'm going to match the property of this hatch with this hatch. And again, there's the hatch here. Okay. Another hatch. This hatch should be matched this. Finally, this should also be hatched. Okay. Now, coming back to the dimension part. Normally, we are not going to show the dimension here, but in the section view again. So you should mention the total height of the door. That is much? 2100 millimeter. From there, yeah, 2100 millimeter. Then this is my section AA. We should write is what? And section AA. Okay. Now, without another part, this drawing will not be complete. So that means we should also show our section BB. Okay. So where is the BB section drawn? It's drawn here. 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 This is our B. B. So you were supposed to draw the BB, the view that you will see. If you cut the door here and then you look from the top. Okay? Yeah. What will it look like? Now it is easy to draw. So this was my starting point. This is an offset of how much? 70. Then thickness is 100 here. Okay? And I think from the other side, it has got a thickness of 55. Okay? 55 here. Okay. Means to cut this part. here. This is the projection of solenoid here. Okay. and then you do the hatch. So please give your attendances, okay? Please give your attendances also. I have shared you the link, is it?
No, sir.
Oh, no? Oh, just a moment.
No.
Just a moment. Just a moment. I thought I gave you this link. Give your attendances using the link. So I'm finishing this one with the dimension. Then this is known as continuous dimensioning. Okay, and this one. So I just have to like this. Then 350 like this. The total weight on the other side, it should be the same. So 350 up to 90 mm. We have this here. This side, 90 also. Our session will end soon. Okay. So I am going to share with you this drawing. So if you think that this drawing needs some modification or correction, please look into it and then do the modifications and corrections. Okay? So I'm going to share with you this drawing now.